Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. Today in reading, we are going to be focusing on visualizing. Now, to visualize, it means that you make a mental image in your head. So it means that you're thinking about what you're reading and you're able to see it in your mind. This is based on the text that we read ourselves, or it could be from words that we have heard. Visualizing helps us understand the text, but also it brings reading to life. So we're able to actually imagine what's going on in the story. So when you are visualizing, you're making mental pictures. You're able to see it in your mind. It's based on what you read or what you hear. It brings reading to life and it helps you use your imagination. So for today's task, you are going to watch and listen to the story Bedhead. Now, as you are listening, you're going to be visualizing what you can see. You're going to draw what you can see in your mind on a piece of paper.